Hey, thanks for watching CEO.CA. I'm back with another interview, this time with Alexandre Boivin of Quimbaya Gold. So Alexandre, welcome to the show first and foremost.
Yes,
Good
thank
to
you
be
very
in
much.
Vancouver with you.
Yes, good to be with you. And first time with CEO.CA. No, second time, sorry.
Second time.
Yeah, I did another one, but it was not with you.
Well, now that you're back here with us, let's talk about setting the stage. What happened 2024? What's it looking like? What are you planning for in the new year?
Yeah, so 2024 was a very good year for Quimbaya, even if we didn't show art large to the public. But what we have done, basically, we have done a lot of acquisition last year, and we have built a team, let's say technical team. We have bring a new technical team with a lot of experience. One of our technical advisor, Dr. Stuart Redwood, was let's say, he found Marmato and he sold it to Grand Columbia Gold, now Aris Mining. So it's a 10 million ounces plus deposit. And our manager of exploration, Ricardo Sierra, was for Continental Gold. It's a 9 million plus deposit. So yeah, basically I would say they have found, maybe they were involved for 20, 30 million ounces, if it's not more, deposit in Colombia.
So they know the country, and they're trying to repeat the success here with Quimbaya.
They know the country, they did it before, and exactly, we want to do it again with Quimbaya.
Now, what's a French Canadian like you doing in Colombia? What got you started in the area? And you're CEO, obviously. What, especially because you're telling us it's a pivotal period for the company, what are you reaching for? What are your goals? What's your vision?
Yeah, so what happened, it's first of all, I had a very good deal. My first deal that I invest in the mining space went very good. Like it went from 10 cents to 13 bucks, and the area was bought out 2 billion by AK Batista. So I really like it, and I felt in love with the country, Colombia. I really like it. Like it's a beautiful country, beautiful people. And I saw an opportunity. I saw a big, let's say, gap between Canadian or let's say capital market and managing an industry, exploration and mining in Colombia. First, you have to speak Spanish. My French accent helped me because it's very close, and you have to be there. And I love Colombia, so I'm there like 4 to 6 months a year. And I met the right people, and I think it's very important, a good connection to raise the money from the capital market and to work there and having success.
Exactly, to operationalize it, right?
Exactly.
In a time frame that isn't dragged out. That's also what kills juniors
I'm very
too.
hands-on on the business, boots on the ground. I like to go so my vision for Quimbaya, the mission and vision, is to become a strong player in the ecosystem of mining in Colombia. There is not so many. I have seen a couple of groups always having success and success and success. So it means there is a recipe. So I'm looking to, with Quimbaya, we have a great team, and I think we have the ingredient to do the recipe. So we're looking to be a very strong, let's say, player in the industry in Colombia.
And last question before we go, what are your relationships like in Colombia, and how important is it to be leveraging relationships with, the political power players, if you will?
Yeah, Colombia for sure. Like every country, political power it's important. But I think also when you take the credible people in your team, you're with the right people, and they did it before. Definitively, like it has to make sense, your plan, right? And I would say that if you're doing your job right and you're let's say, I like to say sharing the pie, the communities, the economy, creating value, providers, jobs, taxes, and the shareholders making money, it make the best case scenario. And I think it's very manageable in Colombia, and we have seen it in the last 2 years and a half, 3 years, 8 permits in mining for open mines. So it's going well.
Well, thank you for being here. Our viewers can find Quimbaya under QIM on the CSC, but also go to CEO.CA and search the same ticker for Investor Chatter.